Hi, my name is Gabriel Sauma. I am professor of Middle East constitutional law and Islamic law, also expert consultant on Islamic divorce in U.S. courts, and that includes custody of the children and abduction of the children. Also, it includes recognition and enforcement of foreign Islamic divorce in U.S. courts. Today, I'll be talking about the parental child abduction in the United Arab Emirates. Custody of the children in the UAE is governed by Federal Law Number 28 of 2005, known as the Personal Status Law or PSL. Personal Status Law applies to the 7 Emirates of the United Arab Emirates. It applies also to non-Emirati citizens unless they request the application of the law of their country. Jurisdiction regarding custody of the children born of Emirati fathers belong to the Court of First Instance, which has jurisdiction over custody disputes. Dual nationality is not recognized in the United Arab Emirates. Children born of UAE fathers automatically acquire UAE citizenship at birth, regardless of where the child was born. The United Arab Emirates is not party to the 1980 Hague Convention on the civil aspects of international child abduction, nor any international or bilateral treaties in force between the United Arab Emirates and the United States dealing with international parental child abduction. The Hague Convention protects against the retention of children across international borders and seeks the return of their return to their habitual residence. Accordingly, there are no legal standards governing the return of kidnapped children from the United Arab Emirates. American women marrying UAE citizens should bear in mind that the children born out of the marriage are considered UAE citizens. This means the UAE courts will grant custody of the children to the father in the event of divorce. The United Arab Emirates husband may ask his wife to allow the children to travel from the United States to his country for a short vacation. After they arrive, the father may refuse to return the children to the United States. The wife will not be able to bring them back to the US because the rules of Islamic Sharia apply to custody of the children born of an Emirati father. UAE will not recognize nor enforce US court orders of custody if they are in violation to their law. And parental child abduction is not a crime in the UAE unless it is in violation of an Emirati court order. For more information about this topic, you may email me or you may go to my website listed below. Thank you.